Mail call? Mail call?
As I said yesterday.
I cannot go to Jurassic World Dominion today. I have to go to work. In the meantime, I just got this mail call. Elite Force, Marine Force Recon. I had been waiting to get some soldiers. I mean, I've always needed some for the type of shoots that I do, but I was just waiting on getting kind of the right kind. And I mean, technically the right kind should be Marauders, but I'm not going to dip into Marauders yet because I got a feeling I might get really attached to Marauder attachments. I was a little worried when I ordered these that they were going to be on the cheaper side and that there's going to be like some paint smudges, that kind of thing. I don't really care about this box. I don't care about this box. But I was afraid that the paint app and stuff wasn't going to be very good. But in the end, I don't think it's too bad at all. You gotta look at these guys. That's not bad at all. He's like, oh no, a dinosaur's killing me. Right? This is the sniper. That is great. Oh no, this detaches. Scout Sniper, codename Striker. Gun is really cool too. This is the mortar specialist guy. Got his cool helmet here. M2260 Motorman, codename Tank. This is Bazooka Joe. I'm Bazooka Joe. Shma shoulder launcher, codename Cannon. I'm Bazooka Joe. Carl used to be a police chief commissioner before he went to serve his country. Radio man, codename Grunt.
Oh, so there you go.
Good job well done. Have some soda. Have some soda. Don't mind if I do. Tarnation's not a pony show you think this is.